Go, Christy.
I still have quite a bit of things to do, so I've got my mandarin and milk chocolate ice cream, my tuile, and my mandarin milk chocolate mousse. This is looking good. It's sort of semi-set. I'm just hollowing up the center, and I'm working on the crumble. Sort of like crumbly, cakey kind of texture. This one's done. Done. Hopefully I can bring this home.
High stress, ma'am.
High stress, hey.
Yeah, a lot harder than I expected.
Yeah.
For some reason.
Are you good for your first dish?
Yeah, it's not bad. I'm behind on the second.
Yeah.
First round of desserts. I think I've done a good job, but I can't stop.
Run, John, run.
Oh, my goodness. I've definitely bitten off a lot of jobs for the second, but nothing is finished. My pastry shells are still drying in the oven. I've got my cocoa nib crunch disc. I've got my chocolate cake baked and sit in the whiskey syrup. And I've made my caramel chocolate parfait.
Oh, look, it's so elegant.
So good. I still actually need to make a couple of elements, but they're going to be served warm, so that's fine. A hot chocolate and a malted barley sauce and a brown butter emulsion. These are the hero flavours in my dish, so it is quite important. When executed properly, this brown butter emulsion is going to bring a super rich velvet mouthfeel to this dessert. It is integral I get this right.
Go, John. My green dish is done. It has been presented to the judges, and I am so nervous about the green dish. I have no idea if it was at the right temperature. It's okay, get it together. You beat them all. It's okay. You've beaten John before, you've beaten Christy before, you can do it again. But the second course is my jam. This is what I do, this is what I feel the most confident in, and I know I can pull off a great Paris Brest. I have to get back on to my hazelnut praline that I had burnt. I've got to think on my feet, I've got to assess the situation, and I've just got to keep moving forward.
I think it's kind of good. I think there's a little bit of burn, but I think it's good. It is really dark, but it's good because if it's not dark, it's going to be really sweet. So I'm just sort of finishing off the lumps that kind of stuck together, remelting those down, getting them separate. Then I'll blend it.
Go, Milsey.
I check on my choux in the oven. Beautiful. And it looks beautiful.
My angels.
Good, Milsey. Yum, yum.
Yummy, yummy.
It's like I can still win. I just have to keep moving forward.
Go, Milsey.
Put a pep in your step, Milsey. Pep in your step.
Can see the light at the end of the tunnel.
My Australian gold dish comprises of a milk chocolate and macadamia mousse ball.
Oh, look at that.
Beautiful, Christy. That's so beautiful, Christy.
They're looking really pretty. They're looking really shiny. I've got my macadamia milk chocolate mousse. I have my mandarin milk chocolate and macadamia ice cream.
That's beautiful, Christy. Beautiful.
And I am happy. I'm pushing richness of the macadamia with the chocolate with the mandarin citrus and my crunchy fruity crumble.
Okay, service.
It's a lot of sweet, but Christy loves sweet. I'm so proud of myself. I decided to just back myself up, push through so many elements, and get everything done.
Hey, Christy.
Hi. Wow.
What do we have here?
So it is my Australian gold. You have a milk chocolate macadamia mousse, a mandarin crumble, a macadamia praline. You have a milk chocolate mandarin ice cream.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think gold leaf used in that way, where it completely coats the product, is
It is the
really-
best way.
It is the best way.
Let's do it. I think this was the best way for Christy to finish the finale. This is indulgence on every level. The flavors are easy to understand, rich in variety of textures, from the very light mousse with the macadamia praline in the center, the mandarin crémeux.
A celebration of an iconic Australian ingredient, the macadamia nut, and I think that Christy did really well. I think that she loves this ingredient, and you can absolutely tell the way that she's woven it through this dish. There's some wonderful textures on this plate that I really enjoyed, but I think for me, this dish reads in its entirety on the sweeter side.
Yeah, you can even feel the sugar crystal as you bite into it. I think overall this is the beginning of an amazing dish. It might need a tiny bit of refinement.
So mental.
Time to serve my final dish, my Paris Brest, to the judges, and I feel like my gold dish is my only hope.
Good, Millsy?
Yeah. Happy? There was definitely a fear that I had burnt my hazelnuts, but I feel over the moon with this. It is velvety, it is flavour forward. It's exactly what I was looking for. My chocolate gelato is creamy, refreshing. It's going to bring some bitterness, and my flour tuiles are beautiful and golden brown and crunchy. And I'm so excited to bring it together and present something that is so totally me.
Beautiful. Service, please.
I'm getting very familiar flashbacks to the Back to Win finale, and
Wow.
I just feel confident and happy and at peace with this dish.
I have made you my Paris Brest.
Thank you, we'll taste it.
Thank you.
Good job.
These little tuiles look like little coronets on the top of the Paris Brest. It looks stunning. I think it definitely meets the gold brief. I feel like it's
Definitely,
very
yeah.
fitting for this room and very fitting for this challenge.
All right, let's try this. I kind of want to go with my finger. Is that bad?
I'm already with you.
Well, that was amazing. I'm back in France, back to the classic. I love Paris Brest. It's really one of the signature of the French patisserie that made it world renowned. I think it was very well executed. Pâte à choux is fresh, a little bit crunchy. The mousse is just perfect. I mean, you cannot go wrong making perfect classic.
I love the choux. It's crisp, it's fresh, and then crackling is just so crispy. Really makes your mouth just light up, you know, when you eat it. Mousseline's on point. It's so smooth. I love the praline, taking it right to the edge, you know, gives that beautiful bittersweet taste, which, you know, helps balance out the dish even more.
The first time Amelia made Paris Brest was a watershed moment for her. It was the first time she just accepted who she was and what she could do, and it was glorious. I think as it stands, some exceptional work from Amelia. I love the dish.